We are in Asakusa. There's one of the gates. So, right next to Asakusa Don Quixote, we have the Asakusa Yokocho in this new mall here. There's a promo right outside and near the main entrance. It's up on the 4th floor. Wow. Neon lights. Oh yeah. There's like a ton of different options. Beef skewers, sushi, eel, even a rental kimonos here. Alright, let's find Alan in them. Wow. It's a really cool themed food hall. It's a Yokocho. A lot of options. Wow, which one should we go to? They even have a little stage area. So cool. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, we're gonna wait for our friends and pick a restaurant. Yeah? You down? Ew. We could also eat something here and then go to the izakaya next door. Yeah. Dang, what the freak? That's so much meat. I'm gonna get it. Alright. Specializing in eel. Getting some skewers.
Are we getting the beef?
Nah, I'm fine.
Oh.
I'll get the viral egg omelet and eel and rice. Dude, that just looks like I'm gonna die, dude.
Yeah, that's
What the heck?
okay. Well,
Right.
I'll get this one and the eel and chicken.
You want the eel and chicken?
Yeah.
Sure. That looks pretty good too.
Yeah, with the egg.
Alright. Alright. This is the Japanese delicacy, a tater tot. Whoa.
Looks like mochi.
Probably is.
Like fried mochi.
Oh. I thought it was sweet. That's savory. Wait, that's actually potato.
It's potato?
Bro, that's just a Japanese tater tot. Is that chicken? It's chicken.
That's like
Wow.
Oh.
There it is. There's their signature. Bro, look at that rice. Hey, nice. They give you a how to eat eel chart, Alan. You're gonna need that one.
Transfero.
And then I got eel and beef, which really good combo. Oh, okay.
This looks cute.
Eel and chicken and a yolk. I've never seen a yolk on a chicken. That's crazy. All right. I'll dig in now. All right. Give us a food review.
Show the process. Oh, the egg's coming along.
Hey, oh no. I gotta assist. Assist. Chopstick assist.
Oh.
Face this. Oh, and oh, I said this was supposed to go in yours.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
That's so much
It is a lot of
rice.
bread.
Holy
my
I'm
Lord.
not sure if I should have done the other thing now. Obviously, if y'all want some.
Okay, yeah. Well, we'll try to help.
Yeah, I guess good thing it wasn't like you both got tired.
No, low-key, that's what I was thinking. I was like, dude, should we get 2 of these?
That'd be crazy.
I ain't no way, dude. Now the half size makes so much more sense on the menu.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna pop your yolk while he does that? Alright, gonna pop a yolk over the eel, which honestly, that looks pretty good. I never thought about that before.
That looks good. And get some on the
Oh, you got this one chicken. You got it's basically oyakudon.
Yeah.
You just did oyakudon.
Oh, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my god. First eel of the trip.
All right, he's trying his first eel.
Taste test.
Taste test. Processing.
Good?
Nice.
I'm actually
How's the egg? Is it like runny?
try the egg.
It's like
No, it's not.
omelet.
It's good. It's very savory.
Very savory.
Just like it has sesame oil or soy sauce.
Nice.
Nice.
All
Look
right,
at that.
go for it.
Alright. Eel.
Good.
Not bad.
Nice. The egg sauce as well.
I'll try the chicken.
Oh, that looks juicy. That's good. Nice. Good combo.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try my beef.
You taste like the grilled meat.
Look, it's still steamy. Oh yeah. Oh, that's like beef in the eel sauce. Yeah, that slaps. Wow, we got the 3 sets of eel skewers. Do you know what the flavors are? Just different ones.
Nope.
This one looks like regular grilled. This is wasabi. This one looks like it's pepper flakes.
That one might
That one
be
looks like some eel
sauce.
glaze or something. You know.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
It looks like a
eel is
fish
on the
taco.
side.
They mix the eel and put it in.
They call that eel onigiri. Oh, this is the spicy eel. It's not that spicy.
No?
No. But, I mean, there's a bit of a kick to it. All right, try it. The grilled eel with some wasabi. Oh, very nice. How's it?
Oh, I like it.
Nice.
Wasabi.
Try that one.
Yeah, I think this is just like the eel sauce.
Yeah.
But it looks like,
Looks like they charred it a bit.
Yeah.
Wow. Too
I
much.
think it's a different part of the eel.
That would make
The
sense.
texture is different.
Yeah, the texture was different on the second one too. Wow, variety. It's like we didn't even touch that bowl. Dude, I literally ate like a whole bowl of it. What the heck? Yeah. Back streets. Asakusa. Yeah, it feels actually really good right now. And there's not too many people. Just a couple photographers taking the night view. Look at that. You got Sky Tree over there. And you got Senso-ji right there. So pretty at night, lit up.
The doors.
Honestly, even though all the shops are closed, it's still kind of cool to come at night to take some night photos. There's still a lot of people here too. And there it is. The sakura tree where I proposed over 2 years ago. Right there. Everyone's taking pictures of the sakura. This is where it all happened. All right.
We are back 2 years later.
2 years later, proposal spot right there. Right there. Yeah, just took some photos. But yeah, it's actually beautiful at night. Look at how lit up the temple is. Oh man, what a beautiful sight. And this is literally the only sakura tree that's blooming right now. Even though it might be plum sakura, might be different, but it's definitely very aesthetic right in front of the temple.
Yeah, it's really pretty at night over here.
Night times for days.